Hey guys, it's January 2nd. I'm talking to one sister on the phone. I'm looking at another one work. And my little grandbabies are cleaning up. But they don't have to do a lot of cleaning up because it's clean around here. They just need to do something. Diane, say hello to the vlog.
What vlog? Hey.
We're at the Mothware warehouse. Nazi, what'd you say? Here's Nazi.
Did you do a stream?
Oh, a live stream?
Yeah.
That is so cool, Nazi. You gonna help me do it?
Yeah.
You gonna do it with me?
Yeah.
Awesome. Layla, where's the dustpan?
Better than this spoon. I was Sally.
Go get the dustpan, Sally, and make sure you get all the pieces up off the floor.
With my hand?
What is Auntie Glenn doing here?
Right there.
What? What is it?
Look at this, a bug.
That's not a bug. That's a piece of fabric. Sally, come over here, please. That's a piece of fabric. And it's too little to bother you anyway. Your sister workshopped those pictures. Sally, why are you looking at the camera like that? I thought you were running from the camera and now all of a sudden you're looking like that. Sally, could you go get that?
How do you forget it? What if it's a bug?
And how little is a bug compared to you?
It doesn't matter if it bites you if it's little. I don't care if it's little. I'm still afraid of bugs. They're just bugs.
So, you and Auntie Glenn are twins.
That means no harm. Oh, if you say that, I dare you to go pick up the pan.
No, I dare you to go pick up the pan, Sally. You go pick up the pan. Mothware International does so many things, guys. You need to Google it and find out what's going on because you could be a potential client, customer. No, you don't need to go on eBay when you have mothwareinternational.com.
Make sure
because
you leave
you can get all of your, leave a what? Sally?
Like and subscribe.
Oh, subscribe, like, comment, share, and click that bell.
I can't even see the bell.
You click the bell for notifications.
Listen, you click the bell for notifications and so you will not miss a single video she uploads.
At Mothware, you can get all of your imprinting needs done right here or from afar. You can get embroidery, heat press, sublimation, digital printing. Oh, guys, I forgot to show you my bag. Oh, my gosh. Okay, so this is my bag, and it came from Bass. It is the ultimate, penultimate travel bag.
The ultimate travel bag plus Claudia Moss wear.
Thank you. Okay.
Go on Google
So-
and buy it if you can.
Well, you can buy this at Bass, and that's where Auntie Glenn and I went to buy this at Bass. And it is filled, yes, and it's filled with space, and you can carry it a number of ways. It is awesome.
It has like a zipper right here. And
It sure does.
Shift into a suitcase.
Okay.
If you turn it
So-
on its back, you can see the wheels.
Or you can pick it up right here. Or you can pick it up from here. And you can put it on your back like a professional stand-up backpack. So when you trek across Europe and Thailand and Africa and the islands and the States, you got it all together. And as Sally
Tell my real name. Sally doesn't really make sense for a name because my name's Layla. Just Layla.
Oh, and guys, this is the most capacious little bag because it has just pockets everywhere. All these zippers you see, look at this. Side pockets, interior pockets, and then here's even a little pocket right here. You can put your license there, or your wallet, personal stuff, and there's a big zipper.
Right down here.
And there's a bigger zipper all the way around the base. Now,
you can like put stuff on the back of the
right, but I don't want to feel it too tight, or it might not fit in the case, in the compartments above the seat, above the seats on the plane.
It'll go kapowie.
Uh-huh. Right. He is just getting it over here, guys. What are you talking about?
It'll go kapowie.
What's kapowie?
If you have got gasoline.
Oh.
And you split the steel. It burns. Make sure you love cats, because our cousin cat died. Our cousin cat, Lavara, she died.
Marmar's cat died? You mean Buttermilk?
Buttercup. Buttercup. Why buttermilk?
Buttermilk died?
No,
Oh my
Buttercup.
God. I'm so sad.
Buttercup.
Oh, Buttercup passed away. Oh my God.
First she started to go blind, and then she died. She went blind, then died.
Bless her heart. But she loved living with you guys and living with Marmar. I know.
I'm gonna do this, and if you want, she lived one more year. And if you want to hear what I said to her, I'll say it. If you just leave a comment down below, I'll say it. Mama likes animals, and every time an animal gets a weapon or whatever.
Really? How sweet. Poor little Marmar. They've got to get another cup.
She has nothing to do with it. But if you like cats, comment down below.
Oh my goodness. We got to go see if Auntie Glenn likes cats. Auntie Glenn, do you want a kitten? Why? Who remembers Auntie Glenn's little dog? What was her name?
Foxy.
Foxy? That's the wrong auntie. Foxy is in Florida and she's still living. Good. These little people are getting it. Vlogs every day in January. Not vlogs, but a vlog a day in January. And we're at Auntie Glenn's house. We're at Auntie Glenn's Empire. And I'm so excited. My backpack is going to have my name on it. I haven't decided what color I want it to be. What color would you say, Sally?
Rainbow. Blue. Rainbow.
Ooh, blue.
I say blue.
I have on a blue sweater and I have on a blue hat, but blue is not.
How about rainbow?
Maybe
it's too colorful. That will take a long time.
Maybe. I'm preferential towards red, pink.
Pink.
Red,
Purple.
pink, or yellow. But yellow might get dirty fast.
Pink.
So,
pink,
dark pink, or maybe
hot pink.
Maybe red. Maybe hot pink or fuchsia or red.
And which one means?
Auntie Glenn, this doggone machine is kind of giving you some challenges. Now she wants to put her moon in the camera. Who's got the biggest moons in the world?
Giants.
That's a good one. I am going to put Claudia'sUniverse.
Clementine.
No, I think I may put. I like Claudia'sUniverse. Say what, Glenn? I'll let you guys see in just a second. But right now, I'm going to get these two to sweeping again.
No.
We'll see you momentarily. See how happy they are to sweep?
This is your bed.
Yeah.
It'll be facing this way.
Okay.
So how you want it here,
Or
did you want your logo closer to the center?
closer to the center.
Okay, so that's where you want your logo, not here.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, that should be nice. What colors?
This is not my bag.
On that.
This is not my bag. It's yours.
I am going.
It is not my bag.
I want hot pink, please.
If you want hot pink, pick it out. Pick it out. Pick it out.
I see it.
Oh, the bright.
I see it. That's called hooping.
Hooping.
Yes.
Hoopah, ring.
No, not hookah. Hookah you smoke when you're doing the hookah. You didn't say hookah, did you? You said hooping.
Who do you know about a hookah, little boy?
I did not. I said hoopah.
I'm teasing you, Nas. I am
said
teasing
hoopah.
you. Okay.
I did not say that.
I'm going to wash your hair.
No, you can't.
Your curls need to be liberated.
Cold, isn't it? He's like, no wash, no. Please, no wash, no. No wash, please.
Are you gonna sew it?
I sure am.
Oh.
Embroider. The machine is going to embroider it.
whatever logo or lettering or design the person.
Get in the little hole.
It needs encouraging sometimes.
It used to be a big hole, but now it's a very little hole.
Because it gets clogged with thread.
And my eyeballs get clogged.
Oh.
So, not being able to see.
Lift
What
it
does
up.
that do?
Lift it up.
Just lift it up so this heavy weight won't be pulling so bad. Correct?
Your breath stinks.
That's not nice to tell your brother on a vlog.
No, she used to pick her nose and eat.
Oh my goodness.
No, I did not.
You'll never get a date either. I would go with a color like this silver right
Okay.
here on the
You said
bag
that.
so that it would match without looking like somebody just threw it together.
Okay.
Or, you know, so that you can see it from a distance.
Okay.
This pink is going to fade into the color
And
pattern
clash.
of this
Okay.
burgundy-ish wine-looking color because they're from the same family.
Okay. You said silver.
Yeah, that's what I said. Grandma, you should do silver.
You did.
You want to go diva?
Yes.
Diva.
Yes.
Like a
Oh, I
deer.
love that. Wow, that should be really nice. Where are you, Nazi? Bye, guys.